How do I fill out address line 1 and address line 2? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll talk about how you can fill out address line 1 and address line 2 as it has confused many people while filling out forms. So let's get started. Now, if you've also been confused just as me what to fill on address line 1 and address line 2, this video is for you. Now, as address line 1 is required in most forms and address line 2 is optional, you must be wondering what address line 1 needs to be filled with. So address line 1 is basically your street name and your state or wherever you live. Now, yeah, that is basically it. All you need to do in your address line 1 is that you'll need to fill it with your street name, street address, and yeah, street name and street address. That is basically it. And in address line 2, you will need to specify which place. Now, let's say that address line 1 is for you to specify which building you want a delivery guy to come into, but address line 2 specifies which place of that very building, for example which suite, which flat, or something like that. So yeah, you can fill out address line 1 and 2. If you want, you can keep out the 2. You do not really need to fill out address number 2, but for address number 1 you will need to write your house name, street name, and your apartment number for address 2. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. That is how you fill out address line 1 and address line 2. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.